Because we don't want our
Mom,
heads.
could you buy me this one? Could you buy me one?
That's Daddy's. He can lend it to you.
May I share him?
You can share it, Daddy.
Okay. Mom, could you share Daddy too?
Sure. All three of us can use that umbrella. Let me see you under there. So when do you use an umbrella?
For him.
I know when. When?
For rainy.
For rainy days.
A rainy day, sunny.
Or sunny days?
Yeah, sunny days for rainy.
What about when we're inside? Do we use umbrellas?
No.
Okay. Only when we're outside?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
A rainy day. Yeah, I don't take this away. I don't take this away. No, this was a car. This is car. What's this, Mommy?
It's an umbrella. Can you say umbrella?
I know I can't.
Why don't you try to say umbrella?
I know how.
Why don't you try?
I don't want to.
Why don't you just try? Why don't you try?